I have been waiting for this. Today you will see us making this not expensive but terrifically powerful e-bike. This one will reach 100 km per hour. That's superb! 100! My gosh! This simple 1.5 kW Chinese hub motor is going to be the heart of it. This one is second hand and we've bought it just for 100 bucks. I've got the motor finally. I had to go to Moscow to get this motor. I have created this bike frame myself, out of an old Soviet bed. They are made of metal. And this front fork and the chainstay we've taken for the Zhongchen bike, which is also Chinese, just like motor. The seat, pedals and steering are from a regular bike. By the way, about the brakes. Now we've got two, the front and the rear, and they are disc brake, so don't worry about us now. And finally, I've ordered a normal twist throttle for the bike. Such a delight. I'm over the moon! This is crazy! Oh my god, he even freaked me out. Whoa! This is awesome! I'm so excited! I was feeling like I'm on a bicycle, but at the same time this thing has the power of a real bike. It shows the speed of the real electric bike. That's sweet! You may start thinking that it isn't that simple to connect, and you're wrong. All the controller wires are marked, and almost all of the wires are not used here at all. In our case, I connected here only 3 thick phase wires, right to the motor, 5 thin wires to the idle speed, and all of the wires are marked with certain color, you can't mix them up. There's the connection for the twist throttle and the starter. We've got here the cheapest controller in the whole China, but it's good quality still. And the accumulators, you know about them, don't you? If don't, browse some videos. The e-bike is rapid and fast for sure, but it isn't enough for us. That's why we've got the second accumulator and we are going to increase some voltage. And we are going to have 84 volts. And this much of voltage is a real thing. It can become dangerous for us. Shock and that sort of thing. The accumulators are open this time because it's a test ride. Soon we will make some proper protection for these batteries, of course. So how do you feel the 84 volts energy? Let me try. So do you feel the pulsation or just polarization? Yeah, there is some pulsation. Don't do this. The 84 volts are not that dangerous in the end. To make the records better, we are going to use this plastic shell. They are from the retired sport bike. I will ride it and break the e-bike speed record. Now it doesn't look like a bicycle anymore, it's a grown-up bike. Looks elegant. You keep grumbling about safety all the time and so on, and here you are, some safety stuff. There comes the speed test we've been waiting for! All's ready! The shell is installed, Stas is secured, and the engine needs 84 volts. What a sound is that! Well, let's see how many seconds it will take the bike to reach the maximum speed. Go. Holy man. That's the real speed. It's 60 for 10 seconds. Look at the table. It's almost 100. Almost 100. It is 100. It's 100 for 29 seconds. We have got 100. Holy speed. We've got 100. That was scary. I can't believe we really did it. Oh my. That was really frightening. When the bike goes fast, the wheel starts to wiggle hard. And I feel like that just, I have no words. And that damn hole has freaked me out. I thought I'm dead. The tires got all burnt. It's hot. Oh my gosh, why it's so damn black? Did you do it on purpose? No, that's because the tires got heated of the speed and torque. We should have pumped up the front wheel. It's a little pumped. You say it was pumped just a little and the bike still got the 100? It's a small self-made e-bike and it reached 100. It sounds just crazy. I'm selling my car and make another one for myself, that's for sure. The new fuel taxes aren't a big threat for us now, right? I need to pay a couple of cents to go 100 kilometers now. That is much cheaper than pay 50 bucks for the same distance. When we get 1.5 million views here, we will buy 5 kilowatts motor, attach here 3 accumulators, and we will squeeze out of it 150 kilometers per hour. We will check out its maximum speed too. I'm talking about 6 kilovolts. It will look like a nice custom bike, but on batteries, because the fuel is in the past now. I'm so excited, that was a real prophecy! This bike was assembled out of the most cheap components. We didn't expect it could possibly accelerate up to 100 km per hour. You can make this e-bike just by yourself. Don't waste a fortune for the brand mark.